Melly Mel.
What's up? What's up?
So we trying a little something new, man. We're gonna put this wing on this bad boy. Homemade, dress it up ourselves. We're doing the chip foose over here.
Before knowing that's how we've been raised. Society is getting heavy. I can feel the weight, the pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shit.
But how you been making out, bro?
Pretty good, man.
You know what I'm saying?
You doing day, man? Tough day and shit.
You don't want to know about my day and shit. we gonna leave that alone and shit. Leave it at home. Shit.
That's alright. That's alright.
What you need me to do? You need me to hold anything?
Nah, I got it.
So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, L.B'S time. So I guess you're wondering what's going on here. So what's going on here is that we're almost ready to paint the truck, but we was finishing up some metal work and we decided to try and build a spoiler for the back. So this is our first time doing it, but I think it's gonna look cool. But before we get started, I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers that's been supporting the channel. I really appreciate all of y'all. So if you're new to this channel and you want to hang out, yo, just hit that subscribe button. Hey, it's all free. But now, let's get back to the work.
No, put the hard hat on. Everybody better stand back. But no, I know about the bead. You know the bead roll where you make the bead. That's not the same thing, huh?
Yeah, it's just a different type of same thing for the bead. The bead is the weld itself.
Right.
You know, say like I'm now. This is the bead. See the little thing of shit right here.
Right.
That's the bead. That's the bead of weld.
Okay.
In other words, so it's no matter what you're using, a stick welder or a wire welder, like here, what we got here, is still when you put it down, is the bead weld.
Okay.
So
is it like a different style or something like that?
No, it's just that's what they call it, a bead weld.
Okay.
You know.
Right.
I mean, it's supposed to look like nickels when if you get it perfect. Right. It's supposed to be like the nickels when you're spinning the welder machine around.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
See, guys, this is the kind of people you want to have around you. Somebody you can learn something from, and maybe next time you can do this yourself. I'm telling you guys, learning how to weld or having some type of trade on the side, it definitely come in handy for you later on in life when you least expect it. And besides, you can always make some money on the side with this. The more you learn, the more self-sufficient you are.
You ever do any type of shit like this before, Mel? Like with the, I mean, just like putting something together with the part at the job or something.
Oh yeah, I fucking made shit for different things. I had to get some kingpins out of the front of the truck one day. I had to make something to get them out because what it is, they're pins that goes through
like a locking pin or something.
Well, it's a pin that goes through where the rotor and everything go. You know, where you steer the truck at.
Right.
And so when you turn the wheels, there's a pin that goes through where you turn the wheels at.
Right.
And it should roll out, but you can't get them out by knocking them. You gotta press them out.
You gotta press them out?
Yeah, you gotta press them out. So I made a stand, and I put the stand over top of where I had to press it out. And I welded everything together. Then I put my fucking hydraulic jack on the stand.
Yeah.
And shit. So when I picked up on it, the truck wouldn't go nowhere.
Yeah.
In other words, you pick it up, you're pushing on that one spot.
Right.
So I heated it up, and every time I heat it up, I jack it up a little bit more and shit. And I finally got it out.
Talk about getting creative, man.
See, guys, that's why it's key to always learn what you can in life, because you never know when the time going to come when you're going to need to use that. And it always happens when you least expect it.
Somebody need to come up with a double head clamp.
They have shit I'm pretty sure that you could, use.
I guess if you did it every day, it would pay to buy it.
Definitely.
People out there, when you build something with your own two hands, it's nothing like it. Nothing like it in the world.
My nephew in the truck. Yeah, my nephew in the truck. He's smoking now and shit. I smell it.
I can't smell shit. Word up. Social distancing. Huh? Oh, man. I'll try to put a rush delivery in. It might be here. Due to the we're gonna paint it next week. It might be here before then.
It's fine if it does. Like I said, it's not a problem.
No, it should.
I mean, it bolts right on, so it's,
yeah.
You know, I can paint it separate and put it right on.
Excuse the language, y'all. I think he just touched that hot metal. So what we was talking about was a front right-hand side bumper. We had to order a new piece because that one was in such bad shape that it couldn't be used. So we had to order a new one. So we was just hoping it gets here on time so we can paint and knock out everything at one time. So you know how it is, a lot of last minute stuff at the last minute. So it is what it is.
So let me see here, you got your cardboard template. Get your cardboard template and convert it to the metal. And that's how she do it. No, it's a good thing that bumper come in separate pieces, right? Because otherwise you'd be changing the whole shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah. If it's
you know?
not that bad.
Yeah, that's No, I'm saying if it was nothing you could do, if it was a whole connected piece. Yeah.
So that give you an idea what the wing gonna look like. Just gotta put the side pieces on.
You know, you don't know what happens tomorrow.
Yeah.
Now, you gotta figure you're gonna retire one day and shit. And let's just use the price of bread keep going up each week and shit, right? So you had the time that you got to retire and shit, and add that price of bread keep going up and shit like that, and just hope your money match and shit when the time comes for you to say, yo, damn, it's my time, I gotta retire now? Fucking bread costs like fucking $30 and shit.
See that? That wing is coming out better than we thought. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Look at that. Just wait till you see it when we get it painted. Huh.
Got him?
I got him.
Damn, that shit be burning metal, man. How the hell do metal turn into flames and shit like that?
Well, could you just the paint or something on the tailgate?
Yeah.
Burning off.
See those little pieces right there is for extra support to hold the wing, and it gives it a little style, makes it look good. But we was about to run into a little trouble. We was about to run out of air or gas or something in the welder. But hey, sometimes these things happen. That's alright, you can't let nothing stop you. We'll get it done.
Almost out of air. I'm almost out of gas.
That thing go gas too?
Yeah, it's got gas that's supposed to, what happens is the gas is supposed to, when it's welding, it's supposed to keep the impurities away from the metal.
Right.
So
I know it sounds a little different.
yeah, I'm just about out of gas.
That shit always happen.
Yeah. I said to myself, when I left this morning, I said to myself, I said, that's what's going to happen and shit. I'm going to fucking get the welding in the night and run out of oxygen and shit.
Murphy's Law, man. Murphy's Law. Whatever could go wrong, will.
I want to get another tank. What I want to get, just so I have 2 tanks.
A bigger tank?
Well, no, just another small tank. So they have bigger tanks, but I just want another small tank, so I'll have another tank here if I'm doing something and I run out.
Just in case. Racy.
I think it'll be all right.
Once you have the 2 lines coming down from the other plate they about to put on, it's gonna be right. And then picture it in your head black, everything blacked out. Black. You know what I mean? Right. Cover on top, she gonna fit good. I'm telling you. See, don't be calling me crazy. mean, I ain't seen nobody with no truck that clean.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, nowhere. Not yet. Not in New York.
I mean, they're out there.
They're probably out there.
But I haven't seen one as clean as mine. Well, I haven't seen one as clean as my blue one.
Right.
And to be honest with you, you know what I'm saying?
You know.
But clean as that one? No, I haven't seen it in a while. Nobody had one that's that clean before.
Hell yeah. Them motherfuckers, they don't, you know, I hear them. If they got the money to spend and shit, you know,
I
do
mean,
what you gotta do.
Don't get me wrong. I mean, like,
But it's just the joy, right?
What's the fun in it? You know what I mean? Just because, you know, you got something pretty, you can get in and go to the commercial.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
It's just the joy of doing the work yourself, man. You know.
Satisfaction of doing the work.
All right, y'all. Hope you had a little fun hanging out, learned a little something. See you next time on L.B'S Time. Peace.